Hey guys, just pulled the truck out. Once again, the guy's sanding on it. You can see the body lines are nice and clean and straight. Hood's in the back. It's all prepped almost, ready to go. Here it's running great. Hey guys, what's going on? Lucky here. So I'm at my, the new shop. And this thing is back from paint. Not a show car, but you know what? It looks a lot better than it used to. This is the gray 71 or 2. It's an actual CST truck. Belongs to a guy named Yo Man is his name. And I've been working on this thing for a while. It was just put it back together. It's a long story. There's a video on my YouTube channel showing where this thing came from and telling the story of it. But either way, back from paint. And I just wanted to share a little tech tip with you guys. The windows were put back in. I jammed it myself. I shot the jam, shot the dash, shot the interior, shot the window seals all the way around. Then I put new glass in it and put new rubber in it, figuring I would back mask and paint it from the outside. But obviously you don't want to mask up to the edge of the rubber. So what I do, and I've done this a few times, I think I got this from Sammy. I get an old extension cord, I peel the rubber back, I fit the extension cord in there, that pulls the rubber down, or pulls the rubber out. Then you mask all that. As you can see, the extension cord is painted blue right there. It sort of seals it up. It's just the same as like back masking. And when you remove it, there is no line because I've jammed it and it blended it right into the body. Nothing on the window, rubber. A little piece of tape right there. Let me get rid of that. And you can see that it fits perfectly. Once this thing goes out in the sun and that rubber relaxes back where it's supposed to be, look at that. So yeah, one of my things is I'm always driving my cars while I'm working on them. So this is something you can do when you primer your car, you do anything, and still drive the car. Keep working on it. And then take this rubber out, or take the extension cord out, and you will have a nice clean line. Anyway, little tech tip or maybe a little cheat trick, I don't know, but it works well. Thanks a lot, you guys. See you later.